Hi guys, welcome to this video where I show you my entire collection of plants. So I have a lot of plants and let's show you one by one. Okay, firstly I will show you one of the first plants I got to my hostel. So this snake plant is the second plant that I got here, and this too came in the same batch. But before that, the very first plant that I got to my hostel room on day one was a succulent, and I couldn't make it survive. But before that plant died, it had mealybugs in it. But before that plant died, I had pinched it off and put it in this one. So like, if you can see, there's like little leaves here. So I mean, it's still there. It hasn't died yet. This is the snake plant that I have, and then I think some previous student left aloe vera plant here. From that, I made this baby aloe vera plant and also this baby aloe vera plant, and it also has spider plants. So like, there's two plants in this pot. This variety of pothos, I really love the variegated leaves. So this is something that I got from home. Also something that I got from home, and this is one of the initial plants that I had periwinkle, but then one time I went home and then I mean it dried completely. I somehow made it survive, but it hasn't bloomed since. So the health of the plant is not that great. Got some money plant from the campus, and then I'm trying to grow it here. So it's gonna take a while till I also need to add a bit more soil so that its roots completely into the soil. But yeah, it's giving new leaves, so it's growing. Recently, I got this from home. So I love, like I said, I love variegated leaves. So this also has white spots on it. So like, I'm more of a leaves person, as you can see by the YouTube channel name, than flowers. So yeah, that's there. This 9 to 5 time flower also I got this inside the campus. I just got like a one little strand, and then I transplanted it in the same pot again and again, pinching it off. So now it's quite a bit. This plant right here is also from home. It's very close to my heart. I remember when I was around the first year of college, that's when I got this plant, and like, this was the exact size of this plant, and I'd gone like solo shopping one day. That's when I got it out of my own pocket money. But like, the mother plant has grown very big now, but then from that we repotted it, and now it's like almost a full circle because this is the exact size that I bought it at. And now time for the seasonal plants. Oh, there's one more thing that I got from home. So yeah, this plant is also from home. Got this recently in the new year. So yeah, these are all my permanent plants, so to say. But now for the seasonal plants. So first up we have this flower. I do not know the name of this flower, but it's blooming really nicely, and I think I have one more variation. Like, it hasn't bloomed yet. So here I've potted two plants, and this one is also pink, but the other plant has given a bud. So I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but this bud right here, it's purple. So like, I got a variation there. I also have petunias. So yeah, it has bloomed quite a lot. This is the solid color, single color petunia, but I also have a hybrid one, but it hasn't bloomed yet. So this is the hybrid petunia which hasn't bloomed yet. Then I have like six cosmos plants, but in 3 pots. This is one of them, and I don't know if you can see the flower, but there's like, this one is white, this one hasn't bloomed yet, so I don't know what color this is, and this middle one is pink. And then I have three more pink cosmos flower plants, if you can see. And I have no idea what this flower is called, but like, it recently bloomed. I've been taking care of it for a month, so I'm really happy, and I love the color. Honestly, we used to have these flowers every winter, but I've seen it in red and pink, but this color is the first time I'm seeing it on those plants. This one also hasn't bloomed yet. So if you've noticed, I don't know the names of the plants that much. Like, I do know the names of few plants, but mostly I don't know the names of a lot of plants because it's much less about the name of the plant, but I just like having plants, so don't judge me for that, okay? So yeah, in Nepali we call this Gadavari, but I have no idea what you call it in English or Bengali for that matter. So this is all the plants that I already showed you out here. But there's, like I said, this aloe vera, I potted it from one of those students. They left an aloe vera plant, so this is that aloe vera plant. I also take care of this aloe vera. And I was having chia seeds one day, and like some of the seeds are just through here. I just keep giving things to plants, like peels of cucumber, maybe vegetables or fruits, like orange peel you can see there. So like I just have a habit of putting things into the soil, and so then a whole plant grew out of the chia seeds. So yeah, that's nice. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Oh, wait a sec. Sorry. There's one more plant. So this one is also, I got it from the campus, and like this was like basically wild grass sort of a thing. So yeah, I got it into this bottle. I'm planning to pot it into with the soil soon, but let's see whether I'll do that. So yeah, and I also collected seeds from trees. I also plan to do that in the summer. So yeah, let's see. That's a beautiful garden of our own campus, like you can see. The petunias there and everything. So yeah, even that wasn't enough for me. I had to have my own personal garden. That's how much I like plants. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye.